Hi guys, today we'll be taking the 10th challenge of AWS Card Clash. So let's start already. We'll be continuing the Cloud Practitioner path. The 10th challenge, which will be setting up a microservices on Amazon EKS. We'll have to set up the application load balancer to balance our load, to redirect our load to different instances of probably our application. We'll have a DynamoDB, EC2. We'll have to read the container which is in our container registry and set up probably the correct number of instances and the scaling of those containerized applications in Elastic Kubernetes service. So let's go. Let's check how the diagram will look like for this architecture. And what we have here: container orchestration, the most trusted way to start, run and scale Kubernetes. So that will be our Kubernetes service. Auto scaling, we have 3 nodes. Okay, so we have 3 nodes. That will be our EC2s probably. Application images and artifacts, so that will be our container registry. And NoSQL database, it will be our DynamoDB. How we gonna route or access each node? We will do it through load balancer. Okay, so it's quite clear. So let's pump the energy. We have 5 AM role, AM role, AM role, and security service. I can place something. I'll place the container registry, but I cannot secure it with security group. I'll throw it to trash for now. Maybe it won't be stealed or damaged by the gorilla. And we have EC2s as nodes, which will be auto scaling depending on the traffic. So only EC2s can be secured. Oh no, the load balancer also. Anyways, let's take the energy. Let's steal and secure the nodes. And I will need the 2 Kubernetes services, so maybe more useful cards will be given to me on the next turn. Okay, free energy. What do I have here? I can set a load balancer. It would be better for me to... I cannot use security group to secure it, so I made a mistake regarding it. Either way, I'll discard this card. It was unfortunate. I could actually secure the application load balancer. Okay, he will destroy what? Yeah, the card I discarded. So, okay, let's play the load balancer and secure it. Another security group, which I can only use to secure the EC2s. Let me steal the EC2 and secure it either way. I'll discard the container registry. Hopefully I won't need it. It won't be stolen. Hopefully. Okay. Secure this database. So the database is useless for me at this point. Load balancer is also useless. Use the role and I can secure this, and I can also discard the container registry. This is useless. This is useless. I wait to get the Kubernetes service card. Maybe I'll be lucky next time. Yeah, if I get the card I can end it in the next turn, gaining both fields, but if not, probably won't get the 3 stars at this. Can get free energy. This is useless. This is useless. IAM role is useless, and 4 and 5. Yeah, energy will be useless for me. I only need to gain the Kubernetes service. And I have DynamoDB, IAM role, load balancer, security group, and energy. Great. Well, I'll be waiting for the card and the chance to steal it. And so it's a close win, only 2 stars. Okay, I'll replay the game. So what we have here for the user comes through a load balancer to one of the nodes, which are built by Elastic Kubernetes service. The container is being downloaded from the container registry, and it builds one of the 3 nodes which can be auto-scaled up, and we have a database to which each of this application can connect. Yeah, that would be only a 2-star score. Yeah, so I can end the game now. Alright, thank you for watching. I've managed to gain 2 stars on this attempt. So yeah, I'll be replaying this game, this infrastructure. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video, which will be somewhere. Yeah. Oh wait. Okay, which will be somewhere here in the link, and hopefully in the second attempt I will get 3 stars. Thanks. Bye.